name is Lissa, and I just want to hop on here real quick and give you guys a quick little review on this panini press that I have right here. I absolutely love this panini press because you can do more than just the regular panini. It's actually like a 3-in-1. It's so versatile. I absolutely love it. It's also super easy to use. You just have a little like handle right here that you twist to put it higher or lower, and there's a red light when it's on, and the green light will indicate to you when it is ready and warm enough to use. It's very compact as well, so when you're like storing it, it does not take a lot of space, which we love. So it's very easy. All you have to do is open it. This handle does stay cold all the time, so you don't need to worry about like, am I gonna burn myself? This does stay cold, which is very important. So you guys can use it as a regular panini. You put your whatever you want to do, you press it down, and that works like a regular panini press. If not, you can use these as like a grilling as well. So you can use it only on one side, or it does open 180 degree like this, as you guys can see, so fully flat, and you guys can use both sides to like grill. I've grilled this, like used like vegetables, things like that. I've brought this like camping in like a camper, and it was very easy to use. Didn't take a lot of space to bring, and we like used it to grill, used it to do paninis. Honestly, absolutely love it. Like I said, it's very, very versatile, which we love. And also, to finish it off, in the back, there's a little hole here. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like the grease hole, so where the grease comes out. And you do have a little cup that comes with it that you just put right here, and the grease will fall directly into this cup. So it's not making a mess anywhere. We absolutely love it. Honestly, I just love this tool, this kitchen tool. In my opinion, it's a must-have. So if you guys are looking for one, I definitely recommend this one.